Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake on a stick. First, you'll need a fully baked and cooled cheesecake. A dense New York style works best, providing a firm base for our treats. Make sure your cheesecake is at least 1.5 inches thick. This ensures it will hold up well on a stick. Lining your pan with parchment paper before baking will make it much easier to remove the cheesecake later, preventing any sticking or breaking. This initial preparation is key for perfect results. Once your cheesecake is baked and cooled, the next vital step is thorough chilling. Place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, but ideally, let it chill overnight. This extended refrigeration makes the cheesecake very firm, which is absolutely essential. A firm cheesecake won't crumble when you cut it or insert the sticks, ensuring beautiful, intact portions. This step guarantees a smooth process for the next stages. Now that your cheesecake is perfectly firm, it's time to cut it into individual portions. Use a sharp knife to cut the cheesecake into uniform shapes, such as 2-inch by 3-inch rectangles or triangles. Aim for consistent sizes for even dipping. Next, carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each piece, pushing it about 2/3 of the way in. Be gentle to avoid cracking the cheesecake. Arrange these skewered pieces on a parchment-lined tray. With your cheesecake pieces on sticks, the final preparation step is freezing. Place the tray of skewered cheesecakes into the freezer for at least 2 hours, or until they are completely solid. This ensures the cheesecake remains intact during dipping. Once frozen, dip each piece into your melted chocolate coating, allowing any excess to drip off. Work quickly, then immediately decorate with your favorite toppings like sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle before the coating sets. Enjoy your delicious cheesecake on a stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.